Evening. Today I'm gonna work on this guy some more. I got a couple of boards that are shot, so I went and bought a couple of 2x10s cedar tone to put in there. So I think what I'm gonna do is take them all out. I don't know if I have any other choice. We'll see how this works. It might be difficult. I'm gonna take this bolt out of here and this bolt out of here, and then I can pop this board out, slide this one back, pop it out all the way up. Just keep sliding the back and pop them out here. Alright, time to get to it. I don't know how old this trailer is, but if you look, the wire is screwed to these boards with a flathead screw. Seriously? Flathead screw? What the heck?
My handsome cowboy. You want to hear what the word on the street is?
What's the word on the street?
The word on the street is everybody is fed but the boy goats. So I ran out of a bale,
Okay.
like Finnegan and what's his name?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I got more hay in my hair than anywhere else. But they also need water.
The boy goats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Crazy Pants, that psychotic horse, needs water. Otherwise, everybody's fed.
I filled the water up before when I got home.
Okay, then we're good. And Reba is nesting, so I put a nesting box in there with hay.
Okay. I guess she's supposed to do, eh?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Otherwise, everybody's fed.
Perfect. Thanks, baby.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. I kind of wanted to get this done before it got dark.
Okay, give
But
it.
it doesn't have to get done today either.
Oh, you're on the roll?
Yeah, I guess I'm kind of on the roll. What's your supper? What did you have?
I've had nothing. I'm very hungry. There's beef and rice up there. What do you think? Got one of your famous wraps if you want.
I think I will.
No. I have some eggs in this.
Lucky you.
Lucky you. I'm jealous of yours.
Well, there's enough for you. Oh, I need gluten-free wraps, but they always crumble apart.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in.
Bet you if I made, well, can't I make gluten-free crepes? I wonder.
Make what?
Gluten-free crepes.
My son in there?
Yeah.
Do you need a take over?
Just gonna go grab my bigger. I'm not quite strong enough to do this. Apparently, I might need your help.
I do. Got guns.
You do have one.
I might get tickets to the gun show this summer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
A little extra money?
Yeah. We could use a few extra bucks. You
Come one, come all to the Tanya's gun show. You'll never have been more amazed.
They're not, I mean, they could just be tiny little water pistols like kids' nerds. We're not going to tell.
Right.
You gotta pay for your ticket?
Yeah. Leave him hanging.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Am I on the next board that's getting moved?
Yeah.
Get out of the way. Don't be too far past that.
Yeah. I'll be in a little bit. I think I might have run into another roadblock here.
Well, you just let me know. Remember, I got the guns.
Got the guns. No, no roadblock. not sure what's holding it so dang tight, but gosh golly gee, that's annoying. I'm gonna have to wash these things up before I put them back in. Let them dry in the sun. I think I'll spread them out along that wall over there. They'll catch the sun all day. They can dry out a little over the weekend. I'll clean up this channel. Throw some paint. I'm gonna weld up that fender. It's a temporary fix. Haven't decided what I'm doing with these fenders yet. They need help. That one turned right out. $73.5. That's going to be the golden measurement. Then I can just tuck them all in. Some are probably just a shade longer, and that's why they bind. So I'm down to my last board here. That needs to come out, but I think I'm going to take these three out as well. And then I cut the new ones. I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4 new ones in to start. Now my newest boards are at the front. If I ever have to replace them again, then I can pull them out. I don't have to pull all of them out. Before I do, for sure don't have to pull out. Like that one over there, that first one I took out. That one's newer-ish as well. So I'll put that one up there. It's got a chainsaw cut in the end, so it's not pretty, but it'll work. No one's gonna know once it's underneath that metal. Except, you know, everybody who watches this channel, which right now isn't many. So, you know, share, comment, subscribe, like, do all that stuff. Okay, my battery on my phone is about to die. I'm gonna get this last one out and I'm gonna call it a day, because I've decided I'm gonna wire wheel the rusty stuff, throw a coat of rust converter on there, and then I'll give it a bit of paint, just you know, extend the life of the trailer a little. Try to stop the rust, slow it down. I want to patch up that one fender a little bit, real quick like. I want to fix these tail lights. Yeah, make it nice. Nicer. It's a nice, I want it to be a nicer trailer. Just thinking, what color should I go? Black? Pink? Not going pink. Probably black. Yeah, probably black Tremclad, which is Rust-Oleum in Canada. I don't know why they changed the name for Canada, but in Canada, Rust-Oleum is called Tremclad. Right. Thank you. I will continue this tomorrow.